Hello, so I'm showing a very simple example of BDD and given when then concept. This is an open source software provided um, on internet essentially. I had that here, GitHub, Coffee Maker. So it's a quite a popular open source project, like a simple coffee maker. I've downloaded it and you can see it has got several classes, inventory, recipe book, and coffee maker. You can have a look at it, but what is really important is that we want to just look at this one. So a scenario of make coffee. I order coffee that costs 50 pence or something. I pay 75 and I should get back 25, right? So this is VS, sorry, not VS Code, IntelliJ system. And when you write these features, it understands the feature which is the Cucumber framework, and the language is called Gherkin. So you see the Gherkin uses a special of keywords, etc. So that's the documentation for it. Now, when we run it, I can run each of these scenarios in isolation. See, so one scenario, so you have feature, scenario, and steps. The steps are at this level. Or if you click here, it will run all of them inside that. So now it ran all the four scenarios that you have there. And you can go there. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't show the details. So you can see the details like that. You can run each of these and see that they're passing. So that's an example of that. Of course, for this to work, the so-called step implementation. For each of this, we need to have code behind it. So you right-click. Of course, this has been developed by, as you go ahead and so if you go to the declaration. Oops. Yeah, the environment is a bit. Go to declaration. There we go. I ordered coffee that costs this much. So you essentially have to write a function, right? So for each of these given when then, you see, so the Cucumber framework has these details here. You can see, you can even write them in different human languages, but each of them should have been developed in a file which we call a step implementation, and then it will work.